Okay, eto guys, yung comment po ng isa sa mga tinitingala ko ring dancer po, sa legit na dancer po sa ating bansa, no? As in si Les Paul po, no? Yan, panoorin na to. Okay yan. Let's go.
Performance ng Bini sa Coachella. I must say, sobrang props sa coaches nila dahil napakaganda ng endurance at stamina nila. Isipin mo yun.
Di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, una ko na sa lahat guys, yung endurance at stamina ng Bini dun sa Coachella, napaka-solid po. Kasi kahit ako guys, hindi ko kakayanin yun. Niwala kayo sa akin. No? Kumakanta kayo, sumasayaw kayo, 40 for almost 40, hindi 45 or 50 minutes pa nga ata, no? 40 minutes, no? Plus, no? 'Di ba? Ibang level 'yung maniwala kayo sa akin. Yes, Aaron J. Kitoriano, no? Lawyer na siya ngayon.
Halos 1 oras kang kumakanta tsaka sumasayaw. Walang
Pero legit na dancer 'yan. So, idol na idol ko 'yan.
palya. O syempre baka sabihin ng mga tao, hindi nagpapahinga sila. Men, nagpapahinga sila 30, 45 seconds para magsalita, introduce yung sarili. Man, tas after nun, na naman, hataw na naman. Mahirap yun, men. Kaya I must say, props sa mga coaches nila that prepared them dyan sa best performance nila. So far, I think sa buong existence ng Bini. Ganda yun yung para sa akin on top. Cherry on top. Cherry on top yun.
Cherry on top.
Para sa akin yun.
Mukhang legit na blues
Favorite
na.
part of the performance, I would say yung salamin dahil very very dynamic yung blockings talaga nun. Very very playful din kasi yung kanta. Kaya it's a perfect match. The English song nila, well I say, yung bago nila, yung Blush, maganda talaga siya. Kasi, I mean, very very chill yung vibe. Pero at the same time, ako ang favorite part ko doon yung O Kalami. Well, the reason is because yung Bisaya word na lami, tapos ang nagsasabi nun, Bisaya din, which is si Aya nung first part, tas nung second part, si Kulit. So, di ba parang good on the part of the choreographer
Ano ka legit na blues si Sir Les Paul. Alam na updated siya.
for highlighting that detail. Pero sa English song nila na medyo matagal na, well, ang bias ko kasi is yung Cherry on Top. Maganda rin yung choreography dun eh. Siyempre, dagdag ko lang, props doon sa gumawa ng costume nila for ensuring na walang wardrobe malfunction. Kasi, di ba, from Shaggy D, iba yung costume nila, tapos nag-transition sila, ibang costume na naman. Tapos doon sa bikini, parang may nadagdag or basta biglang bumaba na gold part ng costume. Yun ang napansin ko Pero correct me if I'm wrong. Pero yun, great job for ensuring na kahit nagpalit ng costume, walang nagkaroon ng problema with regard to their costume.
Tama, isa rin yung sa napansin ko, no? Kasi may mga parts sila na nagpalit sila, nagtanggal ng costume, meron pa silang salakot na suot, no? So, props sa in charge doon, no? Kasi mahirap yun, guys. Paano kung halimbawa ang paghubad nila noon is, wag naman sana, no? Paghubad nila noon nung part na yun is biglang matanggal or kung ano man, merong sumabit or what, no? Kasi alam natin guys, may mga ganun nangyari sa ibang concerts ng Bini, no? Pero this time guys, napaka-solid lang kasi talagang pinaghandaan po nila, no? Lalo na guys, isang una-una ko napansin ko ron. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Napaka-fresh nila tingnan all throughout ng performance nila, no? As in, wala akong nakita na sobrang pawisan. And shoutout din kasi sa ventilation nung area, no? Mapansin mo, medyo umaan yung buhok nila, umaan. Isabihin, talaga may ventilation talaga sila na hindi sila hinayaan na pawisan or what, no? Shoutout sa Coachella. So, kaya pala sobrang sikat ng Coachella, no? Hindi nila hinahayaan na masira yung pangalan ng event nila, no?
Diba? Syempre, hindi natin kakalimutan yung mga kapwa natin dancers na nakita natin on stage na complemented yung performance ng Bini. And made sure na okay yung mga girls, secured sila. And yun, alam mo, masasabi ko, when you watch Filipino dancers, dun mo makikita na professional ang Filipino dancers and they can really look good on the global.
Tama, 'di ba nakita niyo pa yung part na yung may pinulot siya tapos nag-exit pa yung dancer, no, 'di ba? Yung professionalism niya as in nandun, no, yung hindi niya hinayaan na kasi andun yung dancer para para magbigay din ng buhay sa performance at the same time mabackupan din yung performance ng Bini tapos magbigay ng kulay din pero syempre at the same time no gusto ko lang yung the fact na inintindi rin niya yung ikagaganda talaga ng the whole performance. Kasi paano kung naiwan yung nalaglag na yun, di ba? Baka may matisod or wag naman sana may matisod or kung ano man, di ba? No? So, shoutout sa dancers din po, no?
Stage, mabigyan lang ng chance, ng opportunity talaga. Kayang-kaya. Ngayon, sigurado ako meron at merong masasabi ang ibang tao na hindi maganda. Ngayon, sasabihin nila, oh, yan nga ang best performance ng Bini. Okay, prepared nga sila. Pero ganyan din ba ang mga next performances nila? Pagka wala na sa ibang bansa, pag nandito na sa Pilipinas, ganun pa din ba kaya? Coachella quality pa rin ba kaya? Well, that remains to be seen. Siyempre, hindi naman natin alam ang sagot dyan kasi future pa yan eh. Pero, today, without a shadow of a doubt, they really showed up. They represented our country well, and they really deserve the praise. So, props to Bini, galing, and good luck sa mga future performances.
So, ayan guys, no? For me, na-represent ng Bini talaga yung bansa natin, no? Talagang pinakita nila na, ayun, eto tayo mga Pinoy, no? Makikita nyo naman guys, no? Sa mga audience, reaction ng audience, no? Kahit yung mga audience guys, kahit, I think nga, kahit hindi nga Blooms yun or fan ng Bini, I think sa performance ng Bini, talagang nadala po talaga sila, no? Like, na-believe sila sa performance ng Bini, no? So, marami pa namang pwedeng mangyari sa performance ng Bini, no? Like, sa pangalawang performance nila, no? So, yun lang ang pinagtataka. Ano kayang performance ang gagawin nila? Same pa rin ba? Same costume pa rin ba, no? So, ayun yung iniisip natin, guys, no? So, basa mo tayo ng mga comments, no? Okay. Sabi ni Melanie, shoutout Melanie, andiyan ka pa rin Melanie, ah. Yeah, shoutout kay Les Paul, observant talaga yan, as in, kaya idol yan eh. Yan. Kay Hui, naka-proud din na supportado sila ng mga Pilipino kahit sila. Totoo yan. Kahit yung mga casual viewers nakikita ko, yung mga, actually kahit yung mga ka-workmate ko, no, nakita ko nagpo-post sila, as in, supportado talaga nila ang Bini, no. Yung cameraman favorite daw si Maloy. Grabe si March Love. Yan. Yes, XB19, Lollapalooza, no? Shoutout. Sobrang professional. Yes, tama. Sana tayong lahat magiging successful this year, no? Kaya naman yan, no? Kaya naman yan. Different costume daw. Okay. I think lahat naman pwedeng mangyari, no, 'di ba? So for me, kung magbabago man sila, pero for me okay na eh. Plakado na yung nakalapat na yung performance ng Bini na ganun. Okay na siya for me, ah. Kung yun din ang ipe-perform nila sa pangalawang performance nila, okay na siya. Wala nang doon. Wala na akong may angal pa kasi kahit ilang beses mo siya panoorin, solid na siya. Andun na siya eh, 'di ba? Ano to? Panoorin natin, guys.
It's always been a dream as a group, and to be able to perform at Mojave stage, it feels, wow, it's overwhelmingly exciting. I feel over the moon, and yeah, thank you, Lord. Thank you to our Blooms, and of course, thank you, Tetris.
Oh my God, no, don't thank me. I mean, literally, guys, I love that it was also historic as well. You know, the first Filipino girl group to do that.
So
What was
ito
that
yung interview na
history-making
tapos
moment? I
na.
love seeing your emotion on stage.
Well, of course, we are so happy. We're grateful for that historical moment.
Sandali
It's
lang ako,
not
guys.
always that we get to be on the Coachella stage, you know. It's like we're carrying this torch wherein all the Filipinos, Filipino by blood, by heart, all the young kids who look up to us are so happy seeing us on stage, and we are also happy. Our younger selves, our little kids inside are so happy because we get to bring that light to everybody.
Sana makita tayo ng ganyang fan cam, no? Pero sino kaya ang hawak ng camera, ng cellphone na ganyang katagal, no? For 40 minutes, no? Ngalay yan, for sure. Pero sana tayo natin, kahit mag-compile tayo na panoorin natin. Soon, panoorin natin yan.
Honestly, of course, you guys still look amazing, which is crazy after a Coachella set. So, but tell me, what was the most interesting part of being on stage? Like, did anything stick out in your mind of that was crazy?
I think the unexpected ad libs. Like, it's not everything is rehearsed. Like the way you interact with your co-members or with the crowd, it's something that is very true and humanizing. Because I'm living this moment. I'm performing right now. So yeah, I think that's the best feeling that I've
And
had.
also the crowd. We
Yeah.
did not expect a big crowd because it's too early. And when we saw the crowd, we were so excited, and we can't
So
wait to step on that stage.
So to me personally, I was also surprised during the time when they sang and vibed with us during our Out of My Head performance. It was very unexpected, and also during our carrera where they also waved their hands and clapped.
Raising their flag, raising the flag.
Yes, not just that. Seeing them raising our Philippine flag, you know, it made yes.
No,
Hindi isa pa, meron light stick pa eh. Meron tayong nakitang light stick na blooms dun guys na 'di ba? Nakita natin no. So, yun nga, meron din tayong nakitang tawag dito, Philippine flag. Sorry na.
I'm like,
That
oh my
was
god,
my
don't leave me over
reaction
here. Yeah.
earlier. It just made us more proud, you know, to be Filipino. Because everywhere we go, there's a Filipino who will support you always in all ways.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Yun naman yung maganda sa Pinoy no. Like kapag halimbawang alam nilang deserve mo yung suporta, no, susuportahan ka talaga.
I mean, somebody mentioned how it was early, right?
Yeah.
But I think that's a good thing because now that you perform early on Friday, you have the rest of the weekend to enjoy yourself. So
You
tell
know,
me,
relax na sila, no.
who are you guys excited to see for the rest of Coachella?
Of course, Sabrina Carpenter, Justin Bieber, Pink Panther is leaving.
Cats! I'm gonna have to cut our shirt on, you know. Love my girls.
Everyone!
I hope we see everyone.
Oh my god, I love that for you guys. Have fun. So much fun, right? And also, you guys are going to get honored from us in a little bit with our Global Force Award at Women in Music. So how's that feel for you guys?
It's a big honor for us. It's a huge honor, and we dreamed about it, but we never assumed. You know, we just focused on our work, show after show, song after song, and it's to be recognized, to be seen this way now. We're just grateful. We're just grateful, and we just want to release more songs and inspire people. That's it. Thank you.
Well, you're definitely a group of powerful women, but you did say release more songs.
Yes.
So, what can you
Actually,
tell us
we
about
just
music?
did.
Ako, to be honest with you guys, dito kasi nabanggit nila yung inspire more songs, no. Ewan ko, alam ko nabanggit ko na sa inyo to, pero baka hindi nyo tandaan, no. Yung pinaka-favorite kong kanta nila is yung Carrera, no. Kasi merong, yung unang release ng Carrera, no, andun yung, may time na sobrang down talaga ako, as in, yung time na pagsak, wala. Yung tipong nasa dark times ako ng buhay ko, no. And then biglang lumabas yung kanta na Carrera, no. Kasi may part doon na parang ano talaga eh, saktong-sakto talaga. As in, may part doon na ba't ako hindi ganyan, ba't ako ganto, ba't siya ganto, ako hindi. Tapos parang kailangan niya taguin ko to, kailangan niya taguin ko agad to, no. And then dumating yung Carrera, no. So napakalaking impact talaga ng kantang Carrera sa akin, no. As in, sobrang solid ng kantang Carrera na yan. Kaya Carrera, yan ang pinaka number 1 na kanta ng Bini para sa akin kasi sobrang lakas ng impact sa akin yan.
We just did yesterday. We just released another EP called Signals. It has 6 songs with different, with different emotions, different feelings, different vibes. Yes, so you must check it out. Yes.
Yes, Signals of Love. Well, thanks so much for taking time out of your busy Coachella schedule to talk to us. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Of course, thank you.
Let's go. So, yun. Solid, no? So, tingin pa tayo guys kung ano pang mga meron tayong makikita sa Bini sa Coachella.